Have all your supplies ready to go to make the process as quick and easy as possible. Your care team may give direction for pre-medication to prevent any pain or discomfort through this process. Use pillows to position for comfort and alleviation of pressure. This is necessary to do at areas of bony prominences such as hips, elbows, heels, and spine. Repositioning will help prevent skin breakdown and general discomfort. Even small position changes will have a large impact, like tipping the patient side to side with the use of pillows or rolled blankets.